Hello friends, welcome back to our part 2. Okay, so here I have already separated this display. Okay, so previously I have shown you from this display, right? So then this phone, the display was good. Okay, so I have safely removed it. So now I just going to test this display in front of you so that you can see whether we remove the display properly or not. Okay guys, so now let me connecting the battery connector. Okay, my this is the power button flex. Okay, now the battery connector, two battery connector has been connected. So let me press the power key. So I'm pressing the power button. Okay guys, so you can see the display is fully functional. So let the phone completely get on, then we check the touch everything. Okay, so let me. So you can see guys, the touch everything is working fine. Right, let me dial the number for. Okay, so almost all the touch is working fine. So then there is no dead pixel at all, right? You can see the whole display, there is no dead pixel, right? Okay, so our let me switch off. Oops, sorry. So okay, here is the power key. So let me power off. Oops, sorry. Here is the power key. So let me touch. Sorry guys, due to this fold I couldn't able to touch properly. Okay, okay, our phone has been switched off now. So you have checked the display, I have safely removed it. Okay, so no damage, nothing happened at all. So let me disconnect this. First let me disconnect all the battery connector, then now I disconnect the display connector. Okay guys, so this display is very expensive. Okay, if not wrong, then it's around 500 Sing dollar. So you need to be very cautiously, you need to be remove this. Okay, so it has still it has some the old glue, so that's why it's sticking back. So I need to safely remove it. Okay, so while you remove the display guys, you one thing you can notice that which side you get this display connector, and you see this side, this is your main display flex. Okay, so you can see this is your main display flex. So while you insert the prying tool like this, when you separating time, when you insert, right, so be gentle here. Okay, that's why you should not use any metal tool, and always use enough thinner or the heat. Okay, heat also, if you overheat, is not good. So it's my advice is to use the thinner. Then don't insert this too too much inside. Okay, if you put too much, then it may cut off your this connector. Okay, so if your this prying tool, if touch here this area, you may feel something is touching, then you should avoid this. Okay, so you maximum you insert this much only. Okay, so this side you this much if you insert is enough, right? This side as well. Okay guys, so this is your camera side. Camera side is you nothing to worry because this side is completely empty, but you need to careful about this, right? So you can before you remove, you check which side your display connector, right? You can see from this side, right? So based on that, you judge that okay, this side you're having the display flex, so you need to be careful. Okay, all right. So now uh, okay, to save the time, I have already removed all the glue. Okay, I have cleaned it. So now next is I'm going to show you this frame means cannot fully function, right? You see it's not getting straight. So you can see guys here the hinge side, you see there are a lot of it's look like junk. Okay, there are a lot of dust, everything. Okay, so here quite okay, but here uh, I can see a lot of like it look like water is enter in, then some rusty is there. Okay, so hopefully we try to use the thinner to clean this. Okay, so now how to access here? So to access here, we need to remove this two sticker. Okay, so we need to use back this sticker again. So we need to be carefully need to remove this. So again here I'm going to use the this type of blade plus my thinner. Okay, so let's try from this side. So as I said, this sticker we need to use back, so you should not damage this. Very carefully you need to remove. Okay, so as I'm using blade, this blade may cut off this plastic, right? So to avoid any damage to this sticker, you need to uh, use enough thinner. Okay, so instead of the blade, now I'm going to use this tool. Okay, so it won't cut my that sticker. Also, if you want to see the or you want to remember the alignment, it's better to take a picture before you remove this. Okay, so that but it's very simple, not that much difficult. Important is your display. Okay, while you installing back your display, that time you need to align it properly. So be gentle while you peeling off this way. Don't pull too hard. All right, so let me place this on side. Then now this side. Okay guys, so I am trying my best to provide you all the information regarding this fold phones. Okay, so if I get time, then I will make another video for the flip phone. Okay, so if you understand this phone, flip phone also very similar. Okay, so uh, actually we have a full day class, so we got evening class, full day class, weekend class, so I have no rest. So that's the reason I'm not able to record more videos for you guys. So actually I want to help you, but so sorry to say that due to time constraint, I'm not able to provide more. video. So you can see clearly this hinge is bit cleaner, but this side is very dirty, right? So I hope after clean this we can able to fix this opening issue. Okay, so now we are going to remove all these screws first. So let me get something. So I will keep my screws here. So first let's remove this screw. Okay, so you notice this sticker also you need to use back. Okay, so if let's say you break this sticker, what you can do, you can use your heat resistance tape, right? The golden color one or the yellow color one, because they provided this sticker here for a purpose, right? They they never used here without any purpose. So maybe I keep this so I can use back it. Then under the sticker also you got the screw. Okay, you can see here under the sticker also you got the screw. So that's why I need to remove this so that we can clean inside. So guys, if you want to hands-on practice, then you need to come to our institute. But those who staying in Singapore, they only able to come here, and those overseas, you need to learn by our YouTube channel, or you can join my online course. And if you want to come to visit our institute, you can come, or you want to learn here, you also can come. Okay guys, so okay, it seems like this guy is very strong now. Okay, okay, there are two more is here. Okay, the center part. So let me open this. So guys, by watching this video, uh, I hope you can able to fix this, or you can able to fix any kind of like one Wi-Fi problem, your loudspeaker problem, or the flickering display flickering problem. All this you can be fixed. Okay, so you can buy any used phone, then you can try yourself first. So after you understood the concept, then you can try to work for the or work on the customer phone. Okay, so you can see guys here also this part also a bit rusty, so I need to clean that as well. So these details nobody explaining in the YouTube video. Okay, on the YouTube, how many videos are there? Nobody is telling you. They only show you a little bit, then they ask to join their course. Okay, so this small thing, I don't think you should go to the institute, right? So I'm trying my best to provide you for free. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Even though I'm not able to provide video very frequently, but whatever video I'm going to upload in future, so I will try my best to provide you some valuable thing. Okay, so those thing in like those who YouTubers, they don't inform their or don't tell you that thing, so I'm going to provide it for free. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please quickly subscribe and like and share with your friend, so your friend also can be benefited by this video. Okay, so let me put back this screw as well, then we move this this part as well. So guys, if you want to be a good technician, then you need to know the theory part, same time the practical. Okay. So our institute, I not only provide the theory, I also provide the uh, practical. Okay. So I will show you everything in very simple manner, like CPU revolving, double decker CPU revolving, and all the pasted IC, how to remove, how to revolve, and all your iPhone CPU, how to remove and revolve. All this I'll provide you. So those valuable thing nobody teach you on the YouTube, and you don't try to uh, don't expect to watch YouTube video and learn. Okay. So if you are an experienced technician, then for you no problem. If I tell some temperature and all the airflow, all the settings, if I explain you, you can understand. But those who very new to this field, so you should come to the institute, then you should learn. Okay. So if you are a customer, if you are in Singapore, you want to repair your phone, then you send us. Okay. So you can find my contact details in the description. Then you can contact me. Then I will provide you a very good service at cheaper price. Okay. Okay, guys. So this phone still not able to. Okay, let me use the brush to clean this because I don't have the in stock now. If you have stock, then it is easier for us to replace this. But currently, I don't have. So hopefully, by cleaning here, it will be recovered. Let me remove this. So guys, this simple thing, lot of YouTuber they just show you. They don't explain anything. They just show you little bit. Then they show you that they have fixed this. Then to learn more, you need to join their course. So then they charge, like in India, they charge like 20 to 40,000, depend on the institute. So guys, by watching this video, definitely you will get a lot of values from here. So you keep watching my videos, and if you need any special videos or any on any topic, you let me know in the description. Okay. So definitely I will try my best to record those videos. Then our online course also going to launch very soon. So if you are interested to learn, you can. If you are in Singapore, definitely you can come our physical class. If you are overseas, you should definitely join our online course. So it's very simple. You just watch our video, then you can buy the tools, then you can practice. Okay. Any difficulties, if you purchase my online course, then I will help you out through the Zoom meeting. Okay. So you can conduct a Zoom meeting where you can come live, then you can explain me where you're getting the difficulties, then I will explain you uh, how to do properly. Okay. So I can guarantee you that part. So let me close this. Okay, now I can access this area. If you want to learn more, then you definitely need to come to our institute. So we are planning to open a branch in Malaysia. So those overseas students, if you want to come for a physical class, then Malaysia should be better option for you, because in Singapore it's a bit expensive to stay here, and bear the food, hostel fee, everything is a bit expensive compared to Malaysia. So if you are interested to come to join our physical class, then you comment in the comment section, then definitely we will work on it. Okay, the more request we get, so we understand that more students are interested, then definitely we will start. Okay, so it's all depend on you guys. So let me close this as well. So what you are watching, we will try to provide you hands-on practical. Okay, so you guys, you imagine once you learn this, you can easily charge customer like very high price, right? So customer also ready to pay you, because whoever use this phone, definitely they have enough money, right? So if you to fix this type of thing, if you charge $100 also, they will ready to pay you, because if they go to service center, definitely they charge very high for this type of job. So these are the two flex which makes problem. What problem? Can you remember what I said? Which problem does it make? It make the Wi-Fi problem, your loudspeaker problem, and your display flickering problem. Okay. So guys, in this video, I'm giving you almost $1,000 knowledge. Okay. So I appreciate if you like the video, if you subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Okay. So let your friend also get benefited. So those friend who are repairing the phone, you definitely share with them. Okay. Alright, so I hope here it has been fixed. So you can see now it's open fully, right? And here only a little bit jam. Okay, so let me clean. Let me turn this side, then clean a bit more. Here the cleaning part is easiest part, but challenging is to separate the display without damage, right? So that's the challenging part. So it's nothing wrong to charge 100 to 150 for this job. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I think we have fixed it. Okay, now it's going to work properly. So let me do a final cleaning, then we put it back. So sorry guys, maybe this video bit longer for you, but definitely you get some valuable nuggets. Okay, which which saves you a few $100 at least. Okay guys, so we learn together and we grow together. Okay. So if you subscribe my channel, so far a lot of my friends subscribed, so thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So I also get some encouragement. Then I also which encouraged me to bring or record this type of valuable videos. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward here because I'm just going to connect with the screws only. Okay guys, so before we assemble this, it's better to test one time. Okay, so now you can see it's very freely closing and it's opening. Now it becomes straight, right? Now you can see it's completely straight. Okay, and it's very smooth also. So if you have any kind of like oil, you can apply a bit oil here as well. Okay, okay guys, so now it's perfect. So I'm going to install with the other thing. Alright guys, so now I have installed everything. Okay guys, so it's making some noise, so it better to leave this middle section. Okay, I can remove the screws here. Okay, so this part better to remove. Okay, it's already broken, so you can remove as well because this giving the problem. So if you remove this also, it won't create any difference. Okay, so better to remove because when this plastic get too old, they break. Okay, so now no more sound, right? Okay. Okay, now everything is perfect, very smooth, no sound. Okay, okay, now next thing is we need to put back the sticker here. So let me apply very light glue here. Okay, very lightly I need to use, no need to use too much. Okay, this one is this side. Okay, now everything is perfect. So here need little glue here. Let me apply some glue. Alright guys, so now we are going to the main part. Okay, now we're going to install the display. So let me put back this sticker. Okay, then make sure my frame is clean properly, everything. Alright, so now I'm going to install back. So let me clean this display properly. Okay, so we need to clean this properly, okay? Otherwise the display won't be sit properly. So this is the secret of the display mount 100% properly, okay? You need to clean the edges properly. Okay, so if you don't clean this properly, what happen if you installing time, if you see the gap, normally we press, right? So if you don't clean here, then you press, what will happen? The display will be damaged. So it is good to clean properly. Okay guys, so this side all clean. So now let's clean this side. Okay guys, so this area is looks fine, so I'm not going to touch here. And this area also looks almost okay. So even though there is still have the older glue, but I'm not going to disturb it. I reuse back it. Okay. Only I was worried about this side, so we clean properly. So let me one more time apply some thinner and clean the surface properly. So here you can see the camera hole here. So I need to clean that properly. So let me get the earbud, then we clean inside properly. Okay. So here I'm going to apply this thinner. Then let me clean that. So don't put directly the earbud. Okay. You use the cotton like this. All right. So our display is ready. So we are going to install back now. So now how to install, right? So the alignment should this side. Okay, you need to carefully insert the display connector. Then we check the alignment first. then your display should go in here. Okay, here, this part. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, so here I can't show you this, but there is a thing like this. Okay, it's like this a hook there. Okay, so you need to insert inside here, both side. Get like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the glue first. Okay, then we. So this display won't be straight. Okay, means it won't be open and stay for longer time. It always stay like this bend. Okay, so for this region I'm going to apply the glue this side first, then we apply the glue this side, then we close it back. Okay, then we use the rubber band. So okay, let me remove this. So you see we need a glue on this side, then this side. Okay, so this much area should be fine. So here, okay, here and then this side also same, so we don't need inside. Okay, all right, so here I'm going to use the transparent glue. Okay, it's a transparent super glue, so we are going to use this. Okay, so one thing I forgot, I need to put the sticker here as well, so better we put it, because if you apply this sticker here it will protect this area, right? So you can see the copper part, so otherwise it will damage that, so it's better to use back the sticker. So the glue should start from here. Okay, should not be from here, it should start from here. Then here I can put one more layer, then here one more. All right, yes, so we have applied the glue everywhere. So now we are going to install the display. Then here it need to be insert inside. So okay, so now you need to align it properly. So you can check your camera. The hole must be aligned properly. now you can adjust. Okay, you see the top and bottom, then make sure your all the side have equal gap. Okay, okay guys, so before we put the rubber band, we need to place the side clip or the side frame as well. So let me connect back the display connector. Then now I need to prepare my clips. So here you see this thing. Can you see or not? This thing, right? You need to join with this side as well. So let me insert this. Okay. So now we are going to install back. So you need to see guys, okay, this side got the, you can see wider slot, the gap is more. Okay, so here they use for the power button side. So our power button is this side. So this frame must go that side. Okay. So let me insert this side first. After that, I will insert the other side frame. Then this flex must go in here. So here should be straight. Then this one go underneath of the hook type thing here. Okay. Then now this side also we can apply some glue. Then we can fix back this. Okay. Then me insert here. Alright, both side I have inserted. So now I'm going to apply the glue quickly here. Then we're going to fix the ground. So here really you don't need too much glue. A little bit glue will be enough. Alright. Okay, so this side make sure your alignment is properly done. Then you can clamp like this. Then now I'm going to work this side. Okay guys, so now we open this. Then just check the alignment, everything is okay. So here the gap is correct. Okay, so here always lightly height. Okay, the height is more compared to this side, so don't be worried. And this side also is same. So now I'm going to take one good cloth. Then I need to spray some this IP cleaner. Then you need to clean the edges. So any extra glue will be wipe off. Okay. So that way your frame looks very fresh. Means the phone outside will look very nice. Alright, so I have cleaned everything. Okay guys, so now let's power on the phone, then we test everything. Okay guys, so the assembly has been finished. So you can see the phone is on. Okay guys, so you can put the rubber band like this. Okay, so after this dry, I need to put back the back cover, all this thing. Okay, so now you can see, let's say we open the camera. So actually the battery is now 0%, so that's why the camera is not opening, but the touch everything is working fine. Okay guys, so I just charged 1% early. Other than this, everything is working fine. Okay, so that's all about this video guys. So thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, so hope you get to learn something from this video. So wish you all the best and good luck. So guys, if you very new to this field, then you must get proper training first, then you can try this thing yourself. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, take care, bye bye.